Ever found yourself locked out of your digital life, staring at a blank password field? Don't worry. Getting back into your Facebook account is easier than you think. Let's dive in and get you reconnected. First, head over to the Facebook login page. You'll see a link that says Forgot Password or Forgotten Account. Click on that. On the next screen, you need to identify your account. You can enter the email address, phone number, or even your username associated with your Facebook profile. Type it into the search bar and then click search. Facebook will then show you the ways you can recover your account. This could be by sending a code to your registered email address, a text message to your phone number, or sometimes by asking you to answer security questions you previously set up. If you choose to receive a code via email, check your inbox. Look for an email from Facebook with a subject line like your Facebook password reset code. Open the email and you'll find your code. Alternatively, if you opted for SMS, you'll receive a text message with the code. Whichever method you chose, enter the received code into the designated field on the Facebook page. Once you've entered the correct code, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong and memorable, ideally a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After you set your new password and confirmed it, click Continue or Save. You should now be logged back into your Facebook account. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your forgotten Facebook password and regained secure access to your account. Remember to keep your new password safe. To see more helpful tutorials, be sure to subscribe.